welcome back to Homebody. This is for Lisa. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing my 7-foot pre-lit Brinkley pine tree that actually, it comes with clear lights. Now, the one that I picked that was on Walmart's floor was a slim tree, and it had T37 on the tag. Now, me looking at this box, I'm not sure if this is going to be a slim tree. But if it's not a slim tree, I will be taking it back. But I'm going to go ahead and open the box. I am using my phone, so I'm going to have to open the box and then get back with you. So I have my box open, and it may just be a slim tree, you guys. Because this looks like the actual top of the tree, which looks to be slim, and this looks like the midsection, and that looks like the bottom. So let me get these pieces. This is the leg of the tree. So let me get these pieces together and see if this is actually a slim tree. So I have my base up. So yes, this is looking like one of those slim trees, you guys. So I think I'm gonna like it because my space is not big at all. So I'm gravitating towards the slim trees versus the regular big trees that we're all used to. So let me get the other section on the tree. So yeah, so this is a slim tree. So I did pick the right tree because the Walmart that I was actually in never has salespeople to help you get things off the shelf. So I ended up getting the tree down myself. So yeah, so this is the actual tree that I wanted. And you actually just plug up the connections together. Now I do have one more piece to put at the top of the tree, and it is right here. So I have the tree, all 3 pieces put together and connected. It comes with 4 pieces: the base, the bottom of the tree, the midsection, and the top of the tree. Then it's pre-lit, so I have my card here that I'm going to plug up. So I have my tree plugged, and I'm liking the tree thus far. So now I just need to fluff it out, and I know I'm going to put the tree in front of this window, but I need to figure out a way to change my home office area around. But yeah, let me fluff the tree out so you can see how it looks. Okay, you guys, so I have the 7-foot pre-lit Brinkley pine tree. It's the T37 from Walmart, and it was actually $59, and I just put it up, and I think I like it. Let me show you. Okay, everyone, so I have the tree fluffed out quite a bit. I think I need to do some more fluffing, but overall, I love this tree. The price was okay. It was 59 bucks. Now, Michael's does have a 7-foot slim tree for $39, and I went by Michael's to check that tree out. It was no way as full as the Walmart tree. So Walmart pretty has it going on with their trees, you guys. They're not half-stepping. Now, some of their trees are really, really skimpy, but I think they're meant to be skimpy. I guess it's the style of the tree or whatever. But the one that Michael's had has nothing on this particular tree. So the extra, $20 was well worth for this tree. So this is going to be the tree that I'm going to do Dollar Tree only items on. Dollar Tree had some very, very nice ornaments this year, and so I decided to do this tree, Dollar Tree only. I've already purchased the items. I did a haul on the gold and white items, so hopefully the haul goes out before this tree unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And again, I do need to do some more fluffing on the tree. So I'll do that before I put my ornaments on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.